Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best foot spa massager with heat and vibration, the FIAHNG Foot Spa Massager by CINERY. If you're on the hunt for a relaxing, therapeutic experience for your tired feet, you're in the right place. Let's start with the basics. The CINERY Foot Spa Massager is a corded electric foot bath that combines heat, bubbles, and vibration, all in one compact device. Weighing just over 4 pounds, it's lightweight but surprisingly feature-rich. From the moment you power it on, the heated water begins to warm up your feet, loosening up tight muscles and improving circulation. The heating function is consistent and provides just the right amount of warmth to make your foot soak soothing without feeling too hot or uncomfortable. Next up, bubbles. A gentle stream of effervescent bubbles begins to rise through the water. These bubbles aren't just for show. They work in tandem with the vibration function to offer a soft massage experience. It's subtle but effective. Think of it as a gentle embrace for your feet after a long day. But what really sets this foot spa apart is its vibration feature. This rhythmic vibration penetrates deep into your soles, melting away tension and stress. Whether you've been on your feet all day or just want to relax before bed, this setting helps bring your body and mind into a relaxed state. The built-in pedicure features are another bonus. With 16 massage rollers positioned to target the pressure points of your feet, this unit goes beyond a simple soak. As you gently move your feet across the rollers, they stimulate key acupressure zones, encouraging not just relaxation but also overall wellness. It's not just about relaxation. This device is designed with practical care in mind. The acrylonitrile butadiene styrene construction gives it a sturdy, durable build while still being easy to clean and maintain. It's ergonomic and thoughtfully designed, so even seniors can use it comfortably. One important thing to mention, this massager doesn't just pamper, it also promotes foot health. Our feet have more than 60 acupuncture points, each connected to various parts of the body. By stimulating these zones with heat, massage, and vibration, the CINERY Foot Spa helps support your overall well-being, not just your soles. If you're someone who values home wellness routines, this massager is a great addition to your self-care toolkit. It's perfect for unwinding after work, soothing sore muscles after a workout, or just enjoying a quiet evening of pampering. To sum it up, the FIAHNG Foot Spa Massager by CINERY is more than just a fancy gadget. It's a therapeutic experience packed with thoughtful features. Heat, bubbles, vibration, pedicure rollers, all designed to help you unwind, recharge, and show your feet some love. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the best products for your everyday life. We'll see you next time with another review.